Alright, we're live.
Alright, hello guys. We've got an exciting two-part announcement for you guys today. We're doing a hackathon, and...
It's like one person watching it. Maybe we should wait a second.
oh, I guess they'll rewind. But sure, we can quickly go to our metrics dashboard in the meantime.
Hi, everybody.
So some of our exciting metrics in the meantime.
We got some announcements in a minute.
This is our metrics dashboard. This is what we try to improve on every time. We talk often about how bank turns, the car cuts corners on laneless. You can see that over here.
Do you want to show how the lines are going to go, Harold?
Yeah, so you see these distributions, that's where it drives in left and right turns. And because it's cutting, they're not matching, so we want to get them, together. So that's what Vivek is working on, and then laneless will be better. What else is interesting on the metrics dashboard?
Do we have like...
Do you want to show lunch?
Yeah, let's show lunch.
This is our lunch.
Here's what we had today. Check out the menu here. It was pretty interesting.
Yeah, no, it's pretty good. We got some kind of Thai curry.
Yeah.
Weird kiwis.
They're so bizarre. I don't know.
That's not the live color. That they look like that in real life too. It's pretty shocking.
Red Bull. Good point.
Are we ready for the announcements again?
Yeah, let's do it.
Yeah, so the big announcement is we're doing
All
a
right.
hackathon.
Let me spin it around because the mic is always
Hello
in the
guys.
front.
We're doing a hackathon. It's gonna be November, 13th?
12.
12th.
12th and 13th?
14.
Yes.
12th, 13th, and 14th. And to get into the hackathon, we made a capture the flag challenge, which you guys can find some flags, and then you'll be able to get into the hackathon. And we'll make the instructions for the CTF, for the capture the flag, live right now, and we'll go to Adib, and we'll follow him as we publish the instructions.
Let's do it.
So the hackathon's gonna, we're gonna learn a lot about open pilots. It's gonna be a fun hangout. There'll be some prizes, all the fun stuff.
All right. Look at all the code work going on here. Deeb's a mastermind.
Did you open that up right before the screen with you?
Never seen it look like this. So it's the weekend. It's going to start Friday night on the 12th.
Yeah, and then we'll do the full-on competition the 13th and the 14th. The Friday evening on the 12th will just be a little bit of hangout, some
We'll
fun.
have food included. And I think the most exciting thing about the hackathon is whoever captures all the flags first, we will cover your flight and accommodations to come to the hackathon.
Domestic.
Yeah, domestic flight.
Domestic flight.
Oh, look at
there
that.
we go. The instructions are live.
Live on the Open Pilot repo. Tell us a little bit about the CTF, Adib.
What inspired you?
All right,
What is it? What am I looking at?
so we have one route for you. It's a seemingly normal open pilot route, driving down beautiful San Diego, and it's 4 segments long, so 4 minutes, and there's 2 flags in each minute of the route, and then each flag and each segment roughly increases in difficulty. Everything you need to find the flags is in the open pilot repo. We've really been pushing on tools lately. Deanley's done a great job of rewriting. We had this old tool, Unlogger, and Deanley did a great job rewriting this in C++. It's really fast now.
Sweet.
It's really stable. Hopefully we'll get that on the device soon, so you can do on-device replays like you could in OpenPilot, like 0.3. We'll bring that back, OpenPilot in 0.8.
Yes.
It's coming soon.
Is the blog post live?
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, it should be. Let's
Yeah, should we
test
show
it
the blog
on
post?
Or yeah, just
Let's-
test it on the computer.
Yeah. Blog.comma.ai.
Oh, look at that.
Yeah, so
This is super legit.
the time starts now, guys. First
Yeah.
guy to get all the flags will get fully comped.
And make sure
domestic
you're a winner.
flights and accommodation.
Make sure you're a winner. You want to be a winner, that's for sure.
Yeah, so don't wait.
Yeah. So, it's a pretty big deal. Hackathon prizes will include a Comma 3 cross-country edition, which is a $27.99 value.
Wow.
Woo!
That's a pretty good prize.
Okay, but we're not including a harness in there?
We'll throw in a harness too.
Okay, just checking.
Yeah.
Yeah, no worries. You will be taken care of if you're a winner.
Maybe
You will
even a
be taken
common
care
I
of.
double.
feel like you really gotta,
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, be a winner.
Be a winner.
winner.
It's right there.
Yeah, and of course,
Be a winner.
do not leak any flags or clues, or you will be shamed and uninvited.
Right.
Ugh, don't make me uninvite you.
First rule of CTF is not to talk
Yeah.
about how to do the CTF.
We'll do some honest sportsmanship on this competition. But yeah, so super exciting. 2 competitions at the same time, released on the same day. It's been wild. We've been really working on it. We put a lot of effort into meeting this deadline. It's been a lot of distributed work in making this competition come together. So
Yep.
hope you guys enjoy it. We all kind of thought it was pretty fun testing it. I think half of the engineers here did the CTF, and we all had a pretty good time. Maybe we can go to my desk and we can just give a little teaser on how you would get started on this
Let's do it.
on this little route CTF.
Look at all these boxes we have. They're everywhere. Thousands. We're officially entering. Prices went up department. I don't remember that changing.
Yeah, I think we changed that recently.
Okay.
All right. So don't film the password.
Oof. I'll show you this plant. Okay. We're back.
All right, so yeah, so the challenge is just going to be a route, and you're just going to use regular OpenPilot tools to find the flags. So here's a normal route that's not the CTF route, and you can use replay to replay that. And once you've got OpenPilot installed, it should just be running that command with the CTF route. So now that's running, and then you can run UI, and you'll just see the UI as it would have popped up as you were driving the route. And this is pretty much it. This is all you. If you get this far and you've got the CTF route in the replay, this is all you need, and you'll see all the information you need to continue from there. Again, yeah, we've all tried it. We all thought it was really fun. I think you guys will enjoy it too. Don't be discouraged if you experience some issues trying to install all the tools. That's always a bit of a challenge, but once you get past that, it should all be pretty fun, and there shouldn't be any new challenges along the way. It should just be a fun little competition.
Yeah, that's cool.
Adib worked very hard for a few days making this for you guys, so I think he deserves
How many
credit for
flags
that.
are there total?
There's 8.
8 flags. Okay.
And this is just part 1, so I think we'll do another part soon. We have some more difficult challenges that aren't going to be a qualifier for a hackathon. That I think will just be fun. Maybe we'll put out some prizes later on, but this part 1 is the qualifier for our hackathon.
Cool.
Yeah, might do some more this type of stuff for the hackathon, and we'll probably come up with some list of kind of projects to guide you guys to work on during the hackathon. The hackathon's also again going to be centered around interacting with OpenPilot tools and getting OpenPilot to run on your computer, and maybe doing some simulation or kind of some quick development and stuff like that. So should all be pretty fun. Should all be a fun hangout, and I think we'll learn a lot from it. So pretty excited.
Sweet.
Do we have more things we want to talk about? Or?
Should we put a bounty out for first person to submit a PR?
Oh yeah,
Fix
if you
stuff?
want quickly.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you
Okay.
can mention that. Adib.
All right, so we'll put like a $100 bounty out. First person to submit a PR that fixes some tool that's useful for the CTF first person that gets it merged, they'll get $100.
$100.
Yeah.
Do you want to pull up the blog post one more time? We'll just
Oh, yeah,
go
we'll
through
pull
all
up the blog post.
all the details one more time.
And this PR does have to be good. It's not,
Yes.
We're not lowering the bar for PR submissions for this PR challenge.
That's right. So yeah, you have until the 20th, and by the 22nd, we'll have emailed everybody who's invited to the hackathon. Reminder: it's in person in San Diego. It's going to be at a secret location, and that's when it is, November 12th to 14th. And yeah, we have the CTF prizes right here. First prize, again, to get all the flags, you get domestic flight and accommodations covered to attend, hack, or $250, and then second place $100, third place merch. And yeah, if you want a 3, it's a good way to get one if you come to the hackathon. And
Yeah,
win it.
exactly. Comma 3 is too expensive. Just come win one.
Yes. So this is the form right here that you're going to use to fill it out. It's right below. So this is on the blog. It's also linked in the video description right now, so you can check it out.
Any questions?
Yeah.
Can answer some questions if anyone's got any.
Can we give any hints? If
I mean, I think
anyone
this is-
asks,
this
that's
is
a pretty good.
This is a pretty good hint. Yeah, if you
Pretty
just
good
do what
hint.
I did on my computer, run replay, run UI, I think that'll get you started pretty well.
Well, I think, yeah. And then really make sure you read the README. Those hints in there, those tips, really take them to heart. Go read the places it tells you to read, read some documentation, play around with replay a little bit, get familiar with the seeking interface. Actually, we'll write some more documentation on that today. And I think this will really help if you seek around in the segments, skip around. If you get stuck on a segment, try out the other ones. We tried to sort them by difficulty, but it really depends.
Cool.
Yeah, should be good fun.
Yeah, and reminder, if you're not a hacker type, in a week and a few days, we're going to be doing the video contest winners
yeah.
as well. So Kama's just doing a lot right now.
Yeah, doing all kinds of competition. Money's
Yeah.
just flying out the door for these prizes.
Oh man. So yeah, you can check out the last live stream if you want to know about the video contest if you're not like a hacker type. But yeah, the CTF is really cool, and
Any last
Comic-Con.
questions, or
I didn't really see any questions, to be honest.
everyone knows what's going on?
Should we check Discord for questions?
Yeah, let's check
Yeah,
real quick.
let's-
Are there anyone's confused about anything?
Pop
here?
that up in the lobby.
In the lobby or announcements?
Live stream is up. Now's your chance. Either post in lobby or post right now. What's a flag?
Yeah, so the capture the flag is just they're little things, little nuggets that you should find in the route, and I mean that's basically a flag, and they're like little clues, and every clue you found counts as a flag. It's just this type of competition that's pretty popular in like programming. It's called capture the flag. It's not something we invented, so if you want to find out more about just capture the flags in general, just Google it, and you'll find plenty of content.
Yeah, and if you don't know what it is, there's no prerequisites here. As long as you follow the getting started in the README for the CTF, then you'll get your first flag. There's your hint.
Yeah, I haven't done any CTFs myself either, so don't worry about that. And yeah, you don't have to be a hacker, but you should know some stuff about Python. I think that might be a requirement. But you definitely don't have to be a hacker or have experience with CTFs to do this.
Yeah, that's a good reminder too. Someone in Discord just brought up, are there any intern invites for winners? I mean, in the past,
Really well at the hackathon.
yeah, in the past, like
Yeah,
that's
Vivek.
how we hire. We hired Vivek that way.
Yeah, it's definitely, if you're interested in Comma and working with us or just OpenPilot, it's definitely a good place to be. Somebody said, is this hackathon worth it for beginners?
Yeah,
I
it's a
think
good
so.
intro to OpenPilot. Yeah, we also partially wrote this as like documentation for OpenPilot. Like if you get through the CTF, then you're gonna get familiar with all the OpenPilot tools. You'll get like the common tools we use pretty much on a day-to-day basis. You'll get pretty familiar with. So I think regardless of the hackathon, if you just want to learn more about OpenPilot development, this is a really good way to get started.
Yeah.
The CTF is not in our IRL. That's just something you do at home, and you send us the flags. And then the hackathon, which you can get into with the CTF, that's going to be in real life in San Diego. Location not decided yet.
Secret.
Secret.
Whoops.
But if you like pizza, Red Bull, and to hang out with a bunch of Comma engineers, now's your chance. Do the
Yeah.
CTF, and
It was pretty fun last time. I think it'll be fun again.
Yeah.
Let's see if there's some more questions.
Yeah,
Can you
let's
do
check it
this
out.
on a Mac?
Yeah, it should work.
It should work.
I'll test it out later today, but
There was a question: is there a certain format for a flag? Flag is
yeah, that'll be obvious. The flag formats are
Yeah.
they're all the same. You'll see the
If
first
you
first
just-
flag tells
yeah.
you what they look like.
If you do what I did on my computer, just run the route and replay, run UI, it'll be quite obvious what's going on from there. So
Yeah. But yeah, back to the Mac thing. Macs used to work a little bit. We had to turn off the CI for a while. So I'll go back and test it today. But it should build, and most of the tools should run. But we'll go back and double check that today.
Maybe you can fix the tools for Mac, and it's your first PR. You get $100.
and if you fix some real issues, $100 for you.
Yeah.
Cool.
Should we shout out the calibration challenge too for interns and for in general?
Oh yeah, if anyone's interested in being hired for just research or OpenPilot, potentially, I think, but it's more of a research appropriate challenge, you can go to the calibration challenge.
Let's check it out.
So that's AI Caleb challenge. And yeah, that's basically our hiring challenge for research. You have to estimate the direction of travel of the camera through some video. So the video will be moving, and you kind of have to write an algorithm that estimates which direction you're moving in. It's quite difficult, but should be pretty fun. This is our new version of the challenge. We used to do the speed challenge, but I think state-of-the-art machine learning techniques got a little bit too good, and you could just train very good models just out of the box that solve the speed challenge to a pretty good degree. So this is a new challenge that's kind of meant to avoid that problem, and you do have to do some things yourself. Nothing out of the box, I think, will really work. So I think it's a little bit more fun, a little bit more challenging.
Cool. Comma Hack 2021. It's real.
Any ETA on the fisheye for the Comma 3? That doesn't sound CTF related.
Oh, but we have. Do you want to show them Watch 3? Watch 3 is beautiful.
Yeah, you want to show them Watch 3?
Ooh, let's check
Sure,
out
let's,
Watch 3.
let's do Watch
Watch
3.
3 is really cool.
I mean, yeah, we are internally, we've been doing some things with the fisheye, and we'll see. As soon as we can get like good improvements on bigger frames, we do intend to ship that, but it's not something we want to do until, you know, it has good. How do I find, where is Watch 3?
Self-driving UI.
Oh, I see.
Watch 3.
Yeah, you have to start it with the new start replay with the
Oh, I
Gcam
see.
and Ecan flags.
Yeah,
Doing it
look
live.
look at all these hints you guys are getting here. You're struggling with things that you might run into yourself.
It's called Watch 3 because there's 3 cameras.
Yeah.
Nice.
Exactly. And it's a Comma 3.
That's true.
No, you might not have all the cameras uploaded. Just do dash demo.
Just dash no route.
Yeah, no route, just dash demo.
Okay, somebody's already
Demo
posting
route.
some things. That's
Interesting.
let's be careful with those posts,
Yeah, no
guys.
more posts
No
about-
more posts like that. All right,
It's downloading. That's a
Yeah.
good sign.
it's doing something.
What's
Yeah, once
the,
this gets going, it's really fast. Dean Lee did a great job.
so
Huge shout out to Dean Lee.
is the demo route?
All right. Oh, there we go.
Check it out. Oh, this is the new demo route
Yeah.
with Mitchell.
Yeah. So
Mitchell's
is it?
also in the CTF.
Yeah, this is a cool tool, isn't it, guys?
Wow, look at that tool.
Look at that.
Oh, awesome. Someone said I have class right now. I'm gonna go straight home and work on this.
Yeah, I thought it was really fun. I hope you guys enjoy it too. I think once you go through the installation process, that might be painful depending on some things you run into. But I think after that, it's really just a fun challenge, and you'll learn a lot. Oh, I see. So the clue has been deleted, so that's good.
That's good.
Any Yeah, Linux. Yeah, Linux Ubuntu 2004. I tried to get it running on Ubuntu 16, and that wasn't working. So try Linux Ubuntu 2004 if you have the choice.
Yep. Cool.
Any bounty for best PR in the tools? Yeah, so we mentioned that. If you fix any of the tools, you get a $100 prize. If you make any good PR to fix any of that stuff.
Yeah. Cool.
What's WSL? Is that World
Oh,
Surf
Windows,
League?
no, Windows subsystem for Linux. So
I
we haven't
see.
tested this, but quite a few people in the community say version 2 of the Windows subsystem for Linux works pretty well. Even works with our GUI tools, and they can load up the OpenPilot UI, I believe. So all these tools, I believe, should work. But and if you confirm that, maybe make a PR and say this in the setup README. But yeah, I believe they work. Otherwise, just use Ubuntu 2004.
Cool.
Cool. Yeah, I don't think I've got anything else.
Yeah.
I'm very impressed with this video. That's beautiful,
Look
isn't
at
it?
that. That's
I
a
think
good
I haven't
demo.
seen non-laggy video on my.
You can seek around too, and it's fast.
I
No
can.
way.
Yeah, shout out to Dean Lee for
Huge
his
shout out to
contributions for this.
I didn't
Dean
know.
Lee is
I think he's like well past 500 commits now.
yeah, he is.
Oh, yeah.
He's quite an incredible contributor. Yeah, I mean this is pretty impressive.
This is great.
Wow, look at that.
And I know who's gonna. We're gonna have to give him a commie this year.
Oh yeah, when are the commies?
The commies are coming back. Oh, should we? Is that
Yeah,
a
when are the
spoiler?
commies?
Oh, the commies are coming back.
I guess it's always they definitely always come back, right?
Yeah.
I mean, this is the second year.
I mean, everything's a trend, right?
Annual commies.
We really got a lot of annual things now.
Yeah. And one last, we're good?
Yeah,
We did
yeah, we're good,
everything?
we're good.
Cool. Final thing, just a quick reminder to everybody. Comma 3s are in stock. If you buy a Comma 3, it will ship either later today or next week at the latest. So let me put some on the stress test right there. So check this out. We got a full bin of ready to ship Comma 3s, a full bin, which is awesome. And then, of course, we have 1 terabytes as well. But yeah, we have a full bin of 250s, which we've never had before. So production is killing it. Cool. Oh, this is the wrong way. It's so hard to do that reversed. All right. Everyone's gone. Oh, they went over here. Thank you, everybody. Check out the blog post link in the description to learn all you need to know. All right.
See you guys.
Bye.
See you at the hackathon.
Yeah, next month.